Dylan's chillin'.
Good morning. Mommy's gonna exercise, trying to get fit.
Inhale. Inhales and exhales. When you exhale, try to push out as much air as you can.
He's laughing. Right knee, left hand, right knee, left hand, right knee. Now switch. Yeah, 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 huh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh. He's having fun right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Keep your neck flat. Bring your arms straight back while keeping your stomach in and exhale up. Straight up, the arms straight up now. Just do that a few times. But try.
Oh, then you should be running, leave Rusty out there.
Oh my gosh. Where did that thunder come from?
Man. Yep. Yeah, I was looking for you soon.
Peppers, onions, and a couple slices of butter just to keep the steak juicy and to help combine the flavors. Cover it with plastic wrap. Now I'm going to cover it with foil paper. That clip. It's one thing to add the garlic after the potatoes have cooked and you're mashing them, and then it's another to mention the flavor when you infuse the boiling water when you infuse the water that you're going to boil the potatoes in with the garlic, fresh garlic. So that's what I'm doing here. My water is almost. I'm going to cut the potato up into fairly small cubes so that it can cook faster in the boiling water. And like I said, we're leaving the skin on. Makes it pretty and
See it? He spread his finger. It's almost like he's imitating me. Oh, I set my hands. He keep putting out his fingers and putting them back in.
stop it.
Come on, Avery. Come on, clap. Come on. Come on, clap.
That's about it for smashing the potatoes. And that's it. Hi, Avery. Hey, baby girl. You enjoying your tummy time? You're gonna show us all that you might be petite, but you're strong. Yeah, strong, baby. Show them what you got, Avery. Show them what you got, Avery. Come on, show them what you got. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Okay, look at the big boy. Tummy time for the big boy, too. Show him your muscles, Cameron. Come on, show him your muscles. Look at that. Oh, he's smiling for the camera. He's smiling for the camera, Cameron. the green beans to go with the rest of our dinner tonight. Let's see how.
That's about it, basically.
Looks good. Dinner is served. Okay, my goodness, you're already causing a fuss for me to do your hair. Jeez Louise, girl. Okay. You want to keep your curls and mommy's brushing them out? You want to keep your curls and mommy's just brushing them out? Well, you still need to groom your hair. I put a little bit of coconut oil on their scalp. Just a tad bit, one dot. Alright, we're all done. I promise you your curls are gonna pop back up regardless. Look at that. Already. Look at the big boy. Look at the big boy. In the tub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Look who's in the tub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Cameron's in the tub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Look who's in the tub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Cameron's in the tub. Alright. To get all lotioned up and oiled up and brushed up and dressed up. Huh, Cameron? Yes, baby boy. Oh, look at the big boy. Look at those muscles. Look at that. Look at him smiling.